it's finally warm enough to go outside, and we're gonna do some tracking. We're gonna show some deer tracks and other cool tracks in the woods today. Here's a track. Take a look at it. What do you think this is? It's hard to tell because it's not a very clear track in this fluffy snow. There's a lot of space between the tracks. So it's either a big animal that has a long stride or a small animal that's jumping. Here we can tell it's a small animal because it hasn't pushed far into the snow. This is a red squirrel. It's really cool because here's a new track and here's an old one. Can you see how the tracks weather over time? Here's the old one, and here's the new one. I'm looking at the edges, how sharp they are on the new one, and how soft they are on the old one. Here's another track. Tell me what you think it is. You can tell the way they're going because you look and see where the point of the tracks are. If the point is going this way, the deer is going that way. If the point is going this way, as it is in this case, the deer is going this way. Deer like to make paths and stick to them. See these lines? It's where the points of the hooves drag and make those lines. It's a good way to tell there's a deer here. Here's a really good track. Can you tell which way it's going? It's going this way. These are really fun ones. They're the mouse. Here's the tail. Another fun track to follow is human beings. If you learn to get to know roots of your families or your friends, you can follow them and see what they've been doing. That's my mom. If you have snow by you, go out and check out some tracks. Let me know what you find in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you would like to help me and my family make these videos, you can become a patron on Patreon or PayPal. Thank you.